That's on the last date of hearing. This court was pleased to call for the superintendent of police civil to explain a defect which is crept into the matter. So what we had argued, Manoj, was that the applicant has been in custody
Yes.
10th of March 2023, and on the 17th of October, sorry, Manoj, on the
Okay, like, where is Mr. SP?
Madam, he is present before the Honorable Court.
Mr. SP, why you people are so insensitive in the cases of the POX Act? This case, FSL report was received by police and it was deposited before the court on 5/6/2023. It was positive. FSL report was positive.
Sir.
But you did not tell any need to send the SAM for DNA examination because the matter relates with the POXO.
Sir.
There is a provision in section 166.
164A. 161.
No. That is 166 IPC. Why it should not be directed to register case against you and SHO and the investigation officer? Because this negligence is a crime. Matter relates to the aggravated penetrative sexual assault with a minor. You had इसको कब भेजा इसको DNA के लिए?
Sir, 30-10 को भेजा था.
So why you kept it with you for the further 5 months? Because if you had demonstrated it on 5/6 before the trial court, it's been you were in receipt of the FSL report prior to 1st of June.
Just one more thing I want to show my lord.
Yes.
Now, well, it's possibly the reason why the police has not done it or whatever, that is for them to explain. But I would like for my lords to just appreciate one fact of the case. The fact of the matter is the prosecutor is based with the present applicant. She goes with him from district Sydney to Nagpur. As per the 161 statements recorded by the police on 4/3 and 5/3, immediately after her dastiyab, she makes no allegation of the present applicant ever making any sexual assault on her. In her first 161 statement, she says कि मेरे साथ सिर्फ एक बार घटना हुई, एक 2023, that is about 2 months prior. She sent for her medical examination. Doctor asks her, history of assault में डॉक्टर ने पूछा आपके साथ कब घटना हुई? In that the prosecutor tells the doctor कि मेरे साथ 1/1/2023 को घटना हुई. Doctor in her MLC even makes a mention in the brackets that 64 days prior to the MLC was the last incident of sexual assault. Surprisingly, after that, of course, the doctor takes whatever slides the doctor has to take, gives it back to their constable. Matter is sent for FSL. FSL then returns positive. And after that, when they don't send it for 5 months, I just wanted this fact to come before my
Mr. Counsel,
my lord.
when FSL was received as positive,
Yes.
and even if girl has lied with the police,
Girl has?
lied with the police,
Yes.
then it was the duty of police to confirm whether the positive FSL is that of accused or someone else.
I am saying the different thing. I am saying if the girl is not lying, and if the act has in fact arguments back, that means there is a chance of planting.
No, Mr. Counsel.
No, I'm going for another point of view.
Report was positive, when FSL report was positive,
Yes.
it was incumbent upon the police.
It was. I am saying that
DNA examination,
why police is not sending it? Why police is not sending it? Because
you don't, so you are arguing on behalf of police?
no, I am making a totally different submission. मेरे को तो इनसे कोई whatever happen, आप तो 100 लग सकते हैं, ऐसा लगा देंगे, but I am saying something different. I am saying that because there was no act which was ever committed by the government.
That's why it was also duty of the police to ensure the innocence of the accused also.
Yes, but that they don't want to. That is why they say 5 months. That's what I'm showing, my lord.
So, why? They are not here to get conviction only.
That's what I'm just bringing that fact before my lord. हो सकता है ये भी कारण हो कि DNA को नहीं भेज रहे, क्योंकि जिनका हमने प्लांट किया था वो सामने आ जाता कि नहीं मेरे नहीं खा रहा.
Because every accused is presumed to be innocent,
Still not convicted.
until and unless he is proved guilty.
Exactly. I just wanted to bring this fact before.
That is the purpose of investigation, to bring truth, nothing else.
Absolutely, my lord.
Yes.
सर ये जरूर लेट हो गया सर इसमें भेजने में DNA के लिए सर.
नहीं भाई, आप बताइए ना, अगर आप ये बच्चों के केस में आपकी पुलिस ऐसी असंवेदनशील है तो कैसे काम चलेगा, हमें तो ये बताइए. अगर किसी व्यक्ति को निर्दोष व्यक्ति फंसता है और अगर DNA एग्जामिनेशन कराने से ये साबित होता है कि ये जो FSL पॉजिटिव आया है ये एक्यूज का नहीं है, किसी और का है, तो प्रश्न उठता है वो आदमी जेल में क्यों रहना चाहिए?
Sir.
So, do you have IPC root section 166?
Yes, sir.
Penal Code of Law. Tell me, why should court not direct for registration of FIR against you all?
Sir.
ये उठाइए, ये 166A. Whoever being a public servant knowingly disobeys to the prejudice of an shall conduct such investigation shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months. And फिर इसके बाद सी में पूरा दिया है कि आपको कैसे 326 से लेकर 376 कैसे करना. Like very clear on the point. That's why it has been made a punishable offence.
Yes.
So you submit your explanation and that. Because things cannot be taken so lightly कि आपकी ये DNA रिपोर्ट प्राप्त हो गई है, अब ये DNA प्रोफाइल से भिन्न है. That it's mean that accused was not the person
Sir.
who had committed penitentiary aggravated sexual assault. So this man is in jail for the last how many months?
Well, it's from March 2023.
2023, almost for 10 months.
Yes.
Who shall compensate these days? Who shall compensate these days? This FIR has spoiled his entire career, entire life. So we filed in writing why action should not be taken. SHO कौन था इसमें? मिस्टर SHO आपकी कुछ ड्यूटी है 169 में कि नहीं? और ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर है.
Sir.
Have you taken any action against these persons?
Sir.
क्या लिया?
लिए नहीं सर, नोटिस जारी किया सर.
आप रिटर्न करिए, आई विल देखेंगे क्या करना. और क्या ये एक्शन केसेस को FM लाइटली नहीं ले सकते.
सर.
आपका बिल्कुल चीफ सेक्रेटरी के उसमें एक पूरी समिति गठित है कि पॉक्सो एक्ट के केसेस को कैसे देखा जाए. There is provision in the law itself. Under section 54A and 164, it is mandatory on the part of the investigation, part of the police to get them examined. क्यों नहीं वीडियो में के लिए तत्काल भेजते हैं? जो भी सच होगा सामने आ जाएगा. कभी उस निर्दोष आदमी से तो पूछो जो पिछले 10 महीने से जेल में दोषी है, ठीक है, लेकिन एक निर्दोष आदमी 10 महीने से जेल में है, कौन उसकी क्षतिपूर्ति करेगा? कभी सोचिए आपके घर परिवार का कोई आदमी हो तो कैसा लगेगा? हाउ विल फील? सो फाइल रिप्लाई इन राइटिंग. लिखिए. Should be filed earlier. Learned counsel for the applicant. When would be filing it? State.
Within 1 week month.
ठीक है.
Malad may allow the application, keep the 439 application pending for their reply. I'll even appear on the second day. Even though he may be released on bail, I'd still come to prosecute this application.
Shri Nishant Yadav. Learned penal for respondent state. DNA report has been received. SP शिवनी, क्या नाम है आपका?
राकेश कुमार सिंह.
राकेश कुमार सिंह, SHO PS लखनवाड़ा.
यस सर.
क्या नाम है?
नवीन कुमार जैन.
नवीन कुमार सिंह
जैन.
Jain. And investigation officer of the case,
मंजूर रंग डाले.
Miss Manju Hangdale. DNA report has been received and as per the report dated 25/1/2024 received from FSL Bhopal DNA by chromosome STR DNA profile found on the vaginal fluid of prosecutors is not of accused. As already observed in earlier order, FSL report was deposited before the trial court on 5/6/2023. Well, sample for DNA examination was sent on कब भेजा था? On 29/10/2023. Police officers are directed to explain, are directed while they reply in writing as to why action be not initiated against them for their negligence. Learned counsel for the state seeks 1 week time to file reply. This case will be listed for filing for reply and confirmation, further confirmation on after 1 week. Next, later on, this second bill, the second bill application under section 439 of CRPC has been filed in relation to FIR number 81/23 of PS Lakhanwala, District Civil for commission of offences, Lakhan. He is in detention since 10/3/2023. Next, applicant first bill application of the applicant was dismissed with the passed in MCF number 7. Next, as per the prosecution story on 2/3/2006, mother lodged a FIR that her stepdaughter, aged 15 years, student of class 9th, who had left house at 10 a.m. on 2/3/2023, is missing since 12 o'clock of the day. When, despite such she could not be traced, FIR was registered for commission of offence under section 363 of IPC. She was recovered almost after 5 months.
2 दिन के बाद 2 days.
इसमें तो actually 5/3 या 5/8 after 3 days.
4/3 का दस्तयाब करो.
हाँ,
दस्तयाबी 4/3.
after 2 days कर देना. After investigation, charge sheet was filed for commission of aforesaid offences. Next, learned counsel for applicant has submitted that applicant has not committed any offence. He is innocent. He has been falsely implicated. It is submitted that prosecutrix has already been examined
Yes, he is hostile.
before the trial court and she has not supported prosecution story. It is further submitted that prosecutrix DNA examination report has been received and in it by STR DNA profile found on the vaginal fluid of the prosecutrix have been found of some other male, not of the accused. Therefore, it is prayed that applicant may be released on bail. Next. On the other hand, learned lawyer for the state has opposed grant of bail. Next, in this case, prosecutrix has already been examined. She has found hostile. Even otherwise, now there is no possibility of influencing prosecution witnesses and tampering with the prosecution evidence. DNA also did not confirm the prosecution story. Therefore, having taken into consideration all the facts and circumstances of the case, that without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, I am inclined to release the applicant on 50,000. लिखिए ऊपर देना कि बिल्कुल टॉप पे जहाँ पे पहले डिक्टेशन दिया लिखिए when police officers are discharged.
Would kindly permit the type copy of the order may be provided.
Yes, copy of the for what?
For further.
for further proceedings. You can download it. You can download it.
बंद हो गया मोबाइल
Download नहीं होती.
कल से शायद
But I think there is, I don't think so. There's enough for me. A copy of this order be supplied to Learned Public Prosecutor, Learned Additional, Learned Penal for further action. ठीक है?
Thank you.